Today in science class, we are going to make a whirly bird. To make a whirly bird, you need a pair of scissors. Please be safe when you cut. You need something to write with or color with. You need 1 or 2 paper clips. It's okay if you only have one. And you need a piece of paper. Step number 1. Draw a rectangle no bigger than 20 centimeters long and 10 centimeters wide. Cut the rectangle out. Step number 2. Fold the paper in half. Make the small top and the small bottom come together. So we're going to fold it in half this way. Step number 3. We're going to draw a vertical line from the top to the center of the fold. And now I'm going to dot it because we are going to cut that line. So make sure you stop in the middle fold, and then you can cut. Okay, these are the rotors of the whirly bird. Step number 4. We're going to draw a T shape on the bottom rectangle. Okay, so the T is gonna look, it's just on the bottom, it's gonna look like this, okay? Except we're just gonna make 2 rectangles here on the left and the right to make it look like a T shape. See, there's the T. Step number 5. We're going to cut along the top of the 2 rectangles that we drew. Okay, so I should have made these dotted lines. We're going to cut here and cut here, but do not cut these 2 lines.
Cut here. And cut here.
Step number 6. One of these flaps you'll fold towards yourself, just like that. The other flap you'll fold away from you, just like that. And step number 7, one flap at the top will fold towards you, the other flap will fold away from you. Okay, so now we have a whirly bird. Okay, it should look like this, except there's one more thing you need to do, and you need to put weight on the bottom flaps. So you can use one paper clip the first time. Okay, and when you drop the whirly bird, it will spin in the air. Okay, it doesn't work if you drop it from a low height, so you will need to find a safe place to drop your whirly bird and watch it spin in the air. Now, the test you can do is after you add one paper clip, you can try to add a second paper clip and watch your whirly bird fall through the air. Let's go see what happens. I'll tell you, if you want to color your whirly bird, maybe you can color this one color and this another color, and it will look pretty cool. Okay, so you go to a safe place where you can drop something. Okay, don't drop it on anybody's heads. Okay, and you're gonna watch the whirly bird spin in the air. And that is how you make a whirly bird.